We think definitely within the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to see a decentralized social network, a decentralized Twitter, where you cannot be deplatformed or censored. That is a really core tenet of Bitcoin, is like censorship resistance.
We as Americans, and certainly at Koch, we value individual freedoms. We want people to have the right to choose where to shop, what they should be able to say, voice their opinion, have a vote. Is this decentralized structure that's being built around, cryptocurrencies and blockchain, is that accelerated because we as a global society need to be able to continue to have our individual freedoms? Is that something that's going to be more tailwinds behind this?
I think people recognize how the algorithms of the world and a lot of the technological platforms of the world are controlled by a handful of people who make the decisions. You don't control that, and so there's a movement to create decentralized Twitter on Ethereum that no one controls. Even though it's sort of early days, we have the fundamental building blocks of decentralizing these services. And people recognize that the centralized internet controlled by a few people is just not a healthy situation. It's not good for competition. It's not good for civil liberties. So the whole ethos of crypto is distributing power, decentralizing it, giving it back to the community, creating greater choice, independence, and opportunity for people. You don't require the permission of some CEO or some company to build your application, to run it. So it's taking the permission out of it and building these platforms that are credibly neutral. They're not controlled by a government. They're not controlled by a company. They're controlled by the users, and the users are all of us.